Alright, I'm going to try this again. I made one of these a while ago and I went in and watched it, and I didn't have my GoPro angled down quite far enough, so couldn't see exactly everything I was doing. But basically, this is going to be something to show how a ratchet strap works, because you'd be surprised at the men and women in the world that have no clue how these things work. And honestly, they're not really self-explanatory just looking at them. But I'm going to take this apart just like it would be when you buy one from the store. If I get it untangled real quick. This one's a really long one. I should have cut it off some, made it a little easier. But alright, let's see. It's your long end. So I'm just going to disassemble it all. And I'm sure instructions comes with these, but who reads instructions really? But instructions do actually work. If I can get this thing out, excuse me, we're gonna go from start to finish on it all. But like I said, you'd be surprised the people, and actually, you'd really be surprised the men in the world who don't know how a ratchet strap works. I mean, even from the beginning, it kind of, the way it looks like it would go in, it actually goes in the other way. And I still get it confused sometimes. So, alright, you take it, basically you run it through there. Alright, and once you run it through there, you just run it back. Through there, and it's pretty much assembled now. Okay, and the biggest problem, or the biggest thing I've always seen, people take it, they hook it up, and they go to ratchet it away. So they're ratchet, they're ratchet, they're ratchet. Well, if you look at this ratchet is not gonna hold that 30 foot of strap. I mean, this, and then look at that. I mean, that's just, it's just not possible. So what happens is they ratchet it up, and when it gets full, it won't ratchet no more, and the product they're trying to tie down to their trailer, truck, etc., whatever, is still loose. So they swear up and down something's wrong with the ratchet. It don't work. They hate these things. They'll say, oh, this is the 10th one of these I've had, and I haven't found one that worked right yet. In reality, every one of them they had worked right. They just didn't work it right. But like I said, they're a little tricky. I mean, first one I ever seen it, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really know how to do it either. But anyway, you hook that up, you get that there. And then it's pretty straightforward from here. You just take and you pull all your slack out. You want to keep your strap straight. You don't want it to get crooked in there. It just causes problems when you release. So basically, that's a little crooked there. So I wanted to straighten it out. I just come over here, or there, either way. I like to keep mine straight. It's probably OCD. So you got it straight. And then you got this one here. Alright. So I mean, that's it. You got it. You pull all the slack out. Once you get all the slack out, then look, it's like magic. You ratchet it, That's pretty tight there. I'm not going to ratchet no more because I don't want to collapse the swing set. One, cause I mean, that would just be kind of wrong, and more importantly, it's not my swing set. But anyway, so that's it. To undo it, you have a lever here. Pick up on a release lever. Take it, and I kind of keep that straight so it don't get just crooked. And you pop it down, and that releases it. And then if you need slack to get it out, you can just slide it. All right. Take it off and unhook your load or whatever it is you're doing. And that's pretty much it. I normally do mine like that. I mean, I get why not everybody knows how to. I mean, it ain't something a lot of people use every day in their life, and when they come across it, I don't use it every day in my life. I just learn how to do it. But anyway, pretty easy. Maybe it'll help a few people out if they actually watch this video. But alright, that's all, folks. Ratchet strapping 101.